2017 Ford F-150. We're going to be installing this directed DB3 module, digital remote start. So you'll just have to press lock 3 times to remote start. The wire's connected. I just have to flash it. Got the DB3 module up here and the XK loader right here. So this is communicating through here and it's sending the data to the DB3 module for the correct vehicle, and should be pretty quick. Less than a minute. So we have a successfully flashed module. So now I'm going to disconnect the XK loader and connect my harness back, and we're ready to go. Let's test this thing out. Finished up the DB3. We're just going to press lock 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the remote start. And to turn it off, 1, 2, 3 times again. It'll turn off. So now you can leave your AC on or your heater for the winter. This is a nice feature for anybody who doesn't want extra key fob. They just want to keep their OEM remote and add remote start for the summer. Leave their AC on. All you do is, of course, you just unlock it, put the key in the ignition, and then you can take off.